Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Student of the Month Assembly. It's a special assembly here at the Australian International Islamic College for the primary school students. Each month we award a student a certificate and a badge for Student of the Month, and it's also sponsored by the Queensland Police Service.
This is such an important occasion where we can provide recognition and incentive to our students. It's appropriate we come together as an assembly. By meeting together, it endorses the achievements and the kind of recognition that we want our students to aspire to.
The students who receive these awards have done something exceptional in class, whether it's some work or they have shown kindness, they have been considerate, and they have good akhlaq.
So it's just a wonderful opportunity to support, endorse, and outline, I think, a way ahead for all students to increase their motivation and ambition.
We look forward to our Student of the Month ceremony because it's a time when we can celebrate the achievements and awards of our students.
I look forward to our next primary school assembly in a month's time.
So if your child is going to receive an award, please come along and support them in the assembly. Inshallah, we will see you at the next awards.